Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add widgets to your Mac desktop. With the latest macOS Sonoma update, Apple has made it possible to add widgets like clock, weather, battery, and even third-party widgets to your desktop. So let's dive right in. Long-time Mac users would know that you can display the widget panel by clicking on the top right corner of your display. Now, these widgets are not limited to this widget panel, and you can even add them to your desktop. To add the widget to your desktop, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Now, choose the Edit Widgets option. You will notice that it opens a widget panel at the bottom of your Mac desktop. To add a widget to your desktop, all you need to do is hover over it and click on the plus button. You can also click and drag a widget to add it to your desktop. In the left side, you will notice the list of the apps that provide widgets for your Mac desktop. For example, let's add this battery widget. After you are done adding widgets, click on the Done button to get rid of the widget panel. When you add a widget, you will notice that it starts from the left corner of your Mac desktop, but this is not limited. You can click and drag a widget to arrange anywhere you like. For example, I can move this widget to this area. One interesting thing is that you can also add your iPhone widgets to your Mac desktop without installing their apps on your Mac. Just make sure that your iPhone is nearby and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To add an iPhone widget, right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose the Edit Widgets option. Now, search for the iPhone app that makes a widget. For example, I have installed Ivory, which is a Mastodon client. As you can see, it is giving me several widget options. I will click on a plus button to add it to my desktop. iPhone widgets might take a little while to get them to show up any information. As you can see, the Ivory widget is now displaying information. When I click on this widget, it will ask me to open the app on the iPhone to continue. You can also edit and resize widgets by right-clicking on them. Right-click and choose the size you want. Not all widgets will offer edit option, but for those who do, you can right-click and choose the Edit Widget option to change what information you are displaying. For example, the News Explorer widget lets us choose what font and what of the subscription option we want to show. With the latest macOS Sonoma update, widgets have also become more than just information displays. They are now interactive also, so you can perform actions using widgets. For example, let's add a reminder widget in our desktop. Previously, you could not check off this task from the widget itself. You had to click on the widget to open the corresponding ad to mark the task as done. But with the latest update, you can now check off the task directly from the widget. As you can see, we have checked off the task. Finally, the last thing you will notice is when you launch an app, the widgets in the background are grayed out and shown in monochrome color. Apple does this so that when you are working on an app, you are not distracted by the information in the background. You can change this behavior if you want. To change this, go to System Settings, scroll down to Desktop and Dock, click on it. Now, under the widget section, you will see widget style option. Click on it and choose full color option to always display the widgets in the full color. Alternatively, you can use the monochrome option to always display the widgets in monochrome even if you are not using any app. Now, just because you are using widget on the desktop, it doesn't mean that the widget panel is gone. You can still access it by clicking on the top right corner and decide which widget area you want to use, whether you want to add the widget on the desktop or you want to use the widget panel. That's totally up to you. And there you have it. Adding widgets to your Mac desktop is a breeze with macOS Sonoma. We hope you found this guide useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips.